let us see next topic, that is addition and subtraction of money. It is very easy, like we add numbers, we have to add and subtract the money. But main thing we have to keep in mind that we have to make the column rupee wise and paise wise. Okay, so and we have to keep in mind the place of the dot. So first here in question exercise 3.2 question number 2, A is given rupees 75.75 plus rupees 85.65 paise is given over here. So we know that after the dot these are the value given in paise and this is the value given in rupees. So value given in rupees we are going to write it in the rupee column, and value given in paise we are going to write it in the paise column, and in between we have to place the dot. Now we have to add, so first we will put the sign and this amount we have to write over here. So this is the amount given in rupees, so we will write down over here 85 and we will put a dot, and this is the amount given in paisa, so we are going to write it over here 65 paise. Then we are going to add from here. Okay, like we add the numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now carry over 1. Okay, now 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 4 and carry over 1. Now don't think that you can write 14 over here. This 1 will be carried forward. Okay, like we don't forget about the dot. You have to do the simple addition. Okay, you have to carry forward. Now after carrying forward 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 is 11. Now here we will put the dot and it is 11, so we will put 1 and 1 will be carried forward. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So we are going to write over here 161.40. So we have to write this in the form of rupees. So rupees 161.40. Okay, so this is the total amount that we have added. You have to keep in mind that you don't have to stop over here. When you will make the column, you have to carry forward the number. Let us see next question. Question number C. Rupees 135.60 plus rupees 70.50. So same thing we have to do. We have to arrange it in column and we have to place the dot over here. Now when we have to write rupees 70.50, then you have to remember that it will come over here according to the place value. Okay, ये आप 70 को यहाँ नहीं लिख सकते, आपको 70 इधर लिखना होगा. ओके, क्योंकि ये 100 प्लेस है, ये ones है और ये tens प्लेस है. So that's why you have to write it over here, and here 50 will be written. Now simply you can add. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, carry over 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry over 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the amount, and we will put the dot, don't forget to put the dot. Okay, so the amount will be written as rupees 206.10. 3.3 we have to subtract the money. So question number 2A is rupees subtract rupees 7.75 from 47 from rupees 47.50. So same thing we have to do, arrange in column and write the numbers. Okay, and you have to keep in mind that 7 will not come over here. You have to arrange the numbers according to their places. So now here we will start subtracting from this side. As we subtract the other numbers, we have to similarly subtract the rupees and paisa. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, now this will be reduced to 4 and then it will borrow it from here, so it will be 14. Minus 7 is 7. Now we are going to put the point. 6 minus 7 can't be subtracted, so we will borrow from here. It will become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9 and then it will be written as 3. So the final amount is rupees 39.75. 5. Okay, so in this way you can subtract. It is very easy to add and subtract the money. You have to just keep in mind about the point and about arranging the numbers in column and writing the symbol properly. Let us see another question. So the question is, we have to subtract rupees 136.95 from rupees 400.80. So we are going to write the higher amount first. We have to subtract it from this. So for 400.80 we will write down first by arranging in column, and then we will write 136.95. Now we will start subtracting from here. It will be 10 minus 5 is 5, and it will be reduced to 7. We will borrow from here. 7 cannot subtract 9, so we will borrow from here. And then we have to, as we all know that from where we borrow from here, so it will become 3, and this will become 9, and this will also become 9. Okay, so 17, this will become now 17. 17 minus 9 is how? 17 minus 9 is 8. Now we will put the dot over here. Now 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 minus 3 will be how much? 9 minus 3 will be 6. And 3 minus 1 will be 2. Answer will be rupees 263.85. Okay, you can add and subtract the money. Now complete the exercises till exercise 3.3.